In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Spongebob voice on TikTok, right? So let's go into the TikTok, but make sure that you are using the latest version of TikTok. So let me just pause the video, and to use this feature, we have to create a video. So make sure that you have to create a video here, and just I will allow all the access, and I will just record it for 15 to 20 seconds, right? So and just click on the check mark it for 15 and after that you can also add just on the text for 15 I will just type it for 15 and after this you have to click audio editing, right? And here you will get this so many effects, and you have to just select option that is trickster, and just depend upon the location. And right now I'm in India, so I'm not able to find that option, but you can find it in your location if it is available. And after that selecting the trickster, which will here, and you have to click on the save, just record it. And after that you can keep a story, right? Or you can click on the next one. After that you can upload it, right? So this is pretty easy, guys. I hope you found this video really useful, and if you did like this video right now, subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Till that time, right? Take care. Goodbye.